Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy accessory for your dash cam, the Garmin Polarized Lens cover. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Garmin Polarized Lens cover? This is a specialized lens accessory designed to enhance the performance of your Garmin Dash Cam. Its primary function is to reduce glare and improve visibility when recording in bright light conditions, such as during sunny days or in areas with reflective surfaces like water or snow. Let's talk about the key features of this lens cover. First and foremost, it's polarized. This means it's engineered to filter out horizontal light waves, which are the primary culprits of glare. This feature significantly enhances the clarity of your recordings, allowing you to capture crisp, clear images that display more accurate colors and details. The polarized lens cover measures approximately 3.403 centimeters in length, 7.010 centimeters in width, and 17.297 centimeters in height, making it a compact edition that won't take up much space in your car. It's designed specifically for Garmin dash cams, ensuring a snug fit that won't interfere with the camera's functionality. This level of compatibility is crucial because it guarantees that the lens cover won't obstruct your view or affect the camera's performance. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a frequent driver, especially in regions that experience bright sunlight, or if you often find yourself driving near reflective surfaces, this lens cover is an invaluable addition. It's also perfect for anyone who relies on their dash cam for recording their journeys, whether for personal safety, documenting road trips, or even for commercial purposes like rideshare driving. Now, let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine you're driving on a sunny day, and the sunlight reflects off the road or nearby surfaces, creating a harsh glare that makes it difficult to see clearly. With the Garmin Polarized Lens cover, you'll notice a remarkable difference in your dash cam footage. Colors become more vibrant, and important details are preserved. This is particularly beneficial if you ever need to review footage for insurance claims or legal purposes, as clearer images can make a significant difference in understanding an incident. Additionally, if you enjoy recording your adventures while driving, having a polarized lens cover can enhance the quality of your videos. Whether you're capturing scenic drives through mountains or coastal roads, the reduction in glare will allow for a more enjoyable viewing experience when you share those moments with friends and family. In summary, the Garmin Polarized Lens cover for dash cam is a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience and improve the quality of their recordings. With its polarized technology, precise fit, and ability to reduce glare, this lens cover stands out as a practical accessory for both everyday drivers and avid road trip enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.